So the theme of my talk this week is social media. According to Wikipedia, social media is computer technology that allows you to share ideas, to collaborate with others, whether they are family or friends, workmates, to create virtual networks, virtual communities to stay in touch with people and share information. How many of you tweet each week? How many of you use Facebook or Instagram? Send photos or what you're doing to family members and friends. You're probably using a social network, maybe Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, something else. And it's a great way to stay in touch with your family history, to find out new facts and information about your family history, and to explore the world of genealogy. The next use of social media, I think, is to discover new facts and new records. Now, how do you know when new records become available in the internet? There's probably thousands of records being published each day on the internet that could be useful for your family history. If you use social media, they will signpost you to those record sets that are being published. You can stay in touch with other researchers, other hobbyists who are completing their family history and accessing these records or coming across them. So being in touch with these new records, being aware they're there and searching them regularly is absolutely crucial, because the internet is growing all the time. It never stops. Whether you pause your research or not, records are coming online every day, and it's great to be aware of those. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, or do both. That would be great.